All right, Liberty stock number 51495 is the Milltronics model MB20 3-axis CNC vertical mill. It can be run manually. It can be run with 2-axis servo or all 3-axis servo. Serial number is 12965, year built 2015. Okay. Okay.
All set?
All set.
Yeah. Take a walk through. Quick walkthrough, and I'll do a few things manually, then just jump right into a part program that they've got on there. So.
Really does show nice.
Yeah, it's pretty clean. Spare package mister on the side here, oily. Pop open. What are the Escalas? Yeah. The Escala drives and the Escala spindle drive. Documentation obviously on the bottom.
Yep.
Yep. Got everything in there.
Okay.
And sure, jump into jog mode here. I can turn the spindle straight as long as you're looking that way. I'll just turn the spindle on. I'm in jog mode now, so. And you'll hear it even in the parts program, but that's 1200, no, 1500. Sounds nice. 2000. And let's stop, reverse, stop, and we are in jog here, as you can see. We'll go through it. As I said, we'll run the program, kind of see all of that. Z down, C up. It's got these buttons are cool. It does X and Y all at the same time. It's a nice feature. Don't see that too often. All 4 corners. Anyhow, that's that. That's the part. We'll jump into hand wheel right here. Now, watch hand wheel. You got time to see that.
Okay.
And Y. And of course Z. All manual works, the hand wheels work, it's all fine. Different percentages here, on off at the spindle. We jump into exit, just jump into run program without going through all the pages. Once I get into run program, it'll be that part. I hit start, press cycle start to start the program. I think it asks me for a tool change. So, and I'm gonna hit tool reset and we'll go. Spindle on. I'll go 100% on the spindle, which isn't much, 750. And I'll speed up the feed, because we're not cutting anything. And that's what we're doing right there. It's about a 5-minute program. It moves nicely. You can bring the spindle up if I want. Does 4 passes of these. 4 center hole, then drills 4 holes, then it pulls out and it's done. So cool. Yeah, it does a small hole there, does another pass. Yeah, if you want to watch the rest of it.
Yeah, I'll watch down here this time.
Yeah, you can see both. Yep. And just to hear the servos by themselves, really, I could just turn off the spindle here. And that's just running servo full out now. Doing that square. I think one more pass after this and it jumps into the center hole.
Yeah.
It's nice. Nice graphics, huh? I don't know if that was the last one or not. Let's see, I don't think so. It goes to the center now? No? Oh, it is the last one. That's our next move right there, going to the center hole. And that does about 4 passes on interpolation in the center there. You can turn the spindle back on, maybe. Circle gets bigger and bigger, and then it jumps down about 1/8 of an inch, I think. Where we at 0.250 on Z. Let's see where it's jumping. Got 1/4 inch. Yeah. Down to 0.5. I think it does 2 more drops on Z for this circle, and then it does a 4-hole bolt pattern, and that's it.
I think we're good enough.
Okay.
That's a great video. Thank you.
Sounds good. There she be.
That's really good.
Halfway through that part.
Yep.